Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get credit balance on Temu. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Temu, just click on the following options. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account. You can even use your Apple or Twitter or X. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, with a credit balance, transactions on Temu can be completed more quickly since you don't have to wait for payment authorization each time you make a purchase. That means Temu account with a credit balance allows you to set a specific budget for your online purchases. Of course, you can control your spending more effectively and avoid overspending. Now, for you to be able to check the Temu credit balance, all you have to do is just click on the profile icon here and go to the settings. It's going to be on the upper right corner and click on the credit balance. Okay, it's the same process when you use your Temu on your mobile app. Now from here, as you can see, okay, I don't have any credit balance as of yet because Temu will issue credits from you basically from time to time as a compensation for any inconvenience they have caused you during the shopping experience, like the items you purchased or you ordered are out of stock, or the delivery takes longer than estimated. Basically, Temu will issue credits, okay, as a reward if you participate in the promotional activities, like here for the 5-star rated, and if you participate in the surveys. Say for example, you may also get credit rewards if you return items and choose to accept the Temu credits instead of a refund to the original payment method. All right, because when you get some credit balance, the date will be put here. Also, some information such as the description, the amount, and the status. Now, if you wanted to get more information on how to get the Temu credit, I suggest you go here. This is the section that deals with the Temu credit and how to use your Temu credit, on where and when you want to use your Temu credit. Otherwise, if you still have more problems regarding about your Temu credit, you might want to go here at the Temu Contact Support Center, wherein you can contact Temu customer service for help. Click on that. You will be notice a pop-up virtual assistant for Temu, and all you got to do is just type in something like this one. You can also get to these channels. They are available on the Temu Facebook platform, in the YouTube and Twitter X and Pinterest. Okay, and from here, I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.